Now, adjusting the driver and passenger seat in this thing, very, very unique. So it's like this in the Navigator as well, but you've got the ability to adjust the seats using these levers. So the very top one, this is going to adjust our headrest. So we can move the headrest forwards, backwards, up and down. Next one is going to be for our lumbar support, or for our lower back. So we've got an individual switch, and then we've got a secondary switch, which is going to bring the actual backrest back and forward. From there, we've also got the ability to move the seat forwards or backwards. We can move it down, or we can move the whole seat up. Next one is going to be for our individual legs. So we can move each individual leg depending, again, on your preferences. From there, once you've got your ideal position, the perfect position for your seat and your steering wheel and your side view mirrors, what you're going to do is press 1, 2, or 3, and that's going to lock and remember all of your settings. Last one to point out is going to be our multi-contour seat. So our massage chair seat, which is oh so nice in this thing. In order to turn that on, we can access it through the screen, or we can press this button to hotkey it, and it's going to show up on our Sync 3 screen in our infotainment system.